I'm going to be making a watermelon and strawberry smoothie. And you see this smoothie, it's going to be very refreshing, very hydrating, and it's perfect for the summer. Whether you want to call it a summer breakfast smoothie or a summer snack, the choice is yours. But remember, it will taste very delicious, and it also will have a lot of health benefits which your body need in order to keep on ticking. Yes people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. But before we jump into the video, FadaGugs like to talk a little bit about each of the ingredients and some of the benefits them what them have to offer. The first one are the watermelon. Right here we got about quarter watermelon, or a cup to a cup and a half of watermelon. And you see the watermelon, it is 90% water. So if you make a weight loss drink, weight loss smoothie, that is a perfect choice. It is also high in vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B1, B6, vitamin C, and also antioxidant. It is rich in lycopene that increase the body's amino acid that help to move blood through our body and also to burn fat. Then we are going to add a cup of strawberry, or about 5-6 strawberry. And you see the strawberry now, the strawberry protect our heart, which is good. It increase HDL, which is the good cholesterol. It lower the blood pressure, and they are packed with vitamin, fibers, and a high level of antioxidant. We are going to add 1 lime as well to this recipe. And you see the lime is high in vitamin C and antioxidant and will offer a lot of health benefits. You see, if you eat the lime, I would drink the lime juice, it may improve immunity, reduce heart disease risk factor. The lime, it also can prevent kidney stone, aid in iron absorption, and it can also promote a healthy skin. I'm going to be adding 1 ripe banana to this recipe as well. You see the banana contains many important nutrients like potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, copper, and many more. It also can moderate our blood sugar level. It may improve digestive health. It may also aid in weight loss, support our heart health, and the banana, it contains a powerful antioxidant. It is easy to add to our diet. But you see the bottom line, what I'm trying to say, banana are a popular fruit that happen to provide numerous health benefits. Among other things, the banana boosts digestive health, boosts heart health due to the fiber and antioxidant content inside it. And then I'm going to be adding 1 cup of coconut milk, but you can add the milk of your choice. But that's just a brief description of all of the ingredients them the FadaGugs used today. I'll put a more detailed one in the description box so you can go and check that out. So if you like the information so far, as usual, just give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and also turn on the post notification so you will be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So now let's just get down to the fun part and make the smoothie. But before we start, remember, always wash your ingredients them. Make sure you see your hand them clean and you wash off all of the dirt and the germs off of the ingredients. So let's just get down to it. I've already washed the strawberry. So basically what you want to do, you just want to cut off the leafy bit off of the strawberry. You can give them an extra slice and just drop them right on the blender just like that. They're very simple and easy, but at the end, you know, say they're going to have a very nice and healthy juice. Then with the banana, you just peel the banana, and just broke it up, and just drop it right on the blender. It's very easy, simple juice. The watermelon now, just cut up the watermelon, get the flesh out of it, and we're good to go. Basically just cut out the flesh, watermelon, and I'll weed that. Then what we are going to do now, we are going to use the lime and we are going to deal with that now. Just cut it and then you just squeeze the lime. Squeeze out the lime juice inside it. Make sure you take out the seed and all of that. Just like that. Then what we are going to do, we are going to add 1 cup coconut milk. And as I said before, you can use whatever milk you want. Whether you want to use almond milk, full fat milk, the choice is yours. So here we have it, people, all ready. Start the process of making that delicious smoothie. So I'll drop it on the blender and then I'll get back to you. So here we have it, people, all ready to start the ball rolling. Basically we just go blend it till it's smooth and then we know it's ready. So here we have it, people, final product. Look on the color there, original summer color. Crack it and see what it smells like. Yeah, that smells nice. That smells nice. You see that? That are the turmeric stain up the thing. So what I'm going to do now, I just get a glass, and I put it inside of the glass so you can have a look. So I go on. Yeah, that's just right. Cause in the summer, you know, we don't really want nothing too thick. We want something just easy, we go down nice. So this is the perfect drink. We just put some ingredients beside it, so you can have a look and see what I go on. Drop some strawberry on the front. Just like that. Oh, now I forget the lime, you know. And last but not least, a nice straw. So here you have it, people. Final product. Watermelon and strawberry smoothie. And as I said before, it is perfect for the summer because it is very refreshing, very hydrating, and you still are going to get all of the health benefits them what you need to get from it. So if you like the video today, just give FadaGugs a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, remember, share it with a friend, share it with a family, share it all over. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.